Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you can edit account details, otherwise request admin help. Once signed into Outlook desktop or web, navigate directly to Account or Settings. Make sure you know which address will become primary and that it's verified. If using an Exchange or Microsoft 365 account, open the Office 365 Admin Center instead. These steps position you to change the primary address without creating duplicates or breaking sign-in. So do them now. You add the new email as an alias in your Microsoft account or via the Tenant Admin Center. This creates the identity Outlook can promote. Once added, check the inbox for the verification link and complete verification. This prevents sign-in failures later. After verification, allow a few minutes for directory propagation and then sign out of Outlook everywhere, because cached tokens can block the change. These actions ensure the system recognizes the address before you make it primary. You now choose the verified alias and set it as the primary address in the account or admin interface. This changes the from address and login identity. Once set, update any mail clients and shared mailbox permissions and reconfigure mobile devices. Make sure to decide whether to keep the old alias for recovery. If you hit errors, check that the alias is fully verified, that directory replication finished, and that you have admin rights. Those 3 issues cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.